Here we have Elf riding across the screen in his sled with some presents in the back. The sled and the presents are from Dollar Tree, and I actually just used the top of a mason jar to put the presents in, and I taped the bottom of the presents so that they would stay in place as we're moving. This one's pretty basic as far as animation goes. You're just slowly moving him across camera. You can go towards camera a bit if you want, like what I did, or you can just have him or her going straight across the screen.